Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wood filler is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. From fixing unsightly scratches on your favorite table to filling in gaps in your hardwood floors, the right wood filler can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of wood fillers, exploring what makes a great product and how to choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Gorilla Wood Filler, Natural Finish, 16 ounce. Are you tired of dealing with cracks, gouges, and holes? This product is the perfect solution for strong, water-resistant repairs. It's designed to tackle those imperfections with ease, ensuring a durable fix. The unique formula spreads easily, providing a smooth, natural finish. This means it blends seamlessly with the wood, leaving a professional look. It's designed to make your projects look their best. Whether you're working inside or out, this wood filler has you covered. It's water-resistant and won't shrink or crack, making it ideal for any project. This versatility makes it a great choice for various applications. Customize your repairs to match your existing wood. This filler is paintable, stainable, and sandable. This allows you to achieve the exact look you desire, ensuring a perfect match. It's not just for looks, it also anchors nails and screws. This makes it a useful addition to your carpentry tools. This product adds strength and stability to your projects. What we like. This wood filler is water-resistant, perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. It also anchors nails and screws, providing a sturdy base for your repairs. If you're working on a project that requires a strong, reliable hold, you should consider this. What people say. The wood filler is easy to apply. It dries quickly and is easy to sand. The color match was perfect. Number 4. Minwax 42853 Natural Stainable Wood Filler. This wood filler is perfect for fixing any imperfections on your wood surfaces. It's great for cracks, gouges, and nail holes, making your wood look brand new. The special formula allows it to accept Minwax penetrating wood stains. You can easily match the color of your wood, whether it's oil-based or water-based. This filler is designed for both indoor and outdoor projects. It's suitable for all types of unfinished wood surfaces, providing a durable repair. It's easy to apply and sand, ensuring a smooth finish. It's ideal for repairing defects in unfinished wood, making it look flawless. Whether you're dealing with small or large imperfections, it's the perfect solution. It's designed to seamlessly blend with your wood, providing a professional finish. What we like. This wood filler is specially formulated to accept wood stains, allowing for a seamless finish. It's designed for both interior and exterior use, making it versatile for various projects. If you are looking for a filler that blends perfectly with your existing wood, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to work with. It has a good consistency that fills holes and is easy to smooth and sand afterwards. High-quality wood filler that works well every time. The stainable feature of this wood filler is a standout advantage. It allows you to achieve a seamless finish by matching the color of the filler with the stained wood. This enables you to achieve a consistent and natural look, as the filler can be stained and finished along with the rest of the wood surface. Number 3. Weld KwikWood Wood Repair Epoxy Putty. This is Weld KwikWood, a hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty stick. Specially formulated to repair and rebuild wood. It's perfect for all your DIY wood repair projects around the house. After kneading the 2 parts together, it sets in just 15 to 25 minutes. It fully cures in about an hour. The final color of this product is a light tan. KwikWood boasts a lap shear strength of 900 psi. It won't shrink or rot, and you can stain, mold, tap, drill, sand, and shape it as needed. Use it for window and door hinge repairs, fixing dry rot, filling gouges and cracks in furniture, repairing knot holes, and more. The possibilities are endless. Whether it's a big or small project, you can do it yourself with Weld. This product delivers superior performance and quality, providing the world's strongest bond for your repairs. What we like. This product is a hand-mixable epoxy putty stick, perfect for quick and easy repairs. It sets in just 15 to 25 minutes and cures in an hour, saving you valuable time. If you need a fast-acting solution for your wood repairs, you should definitely try it. What people say. This stuff is easy to mix, cut off a hunk from the roll and knead it for a minute or so, is easy to mold into shape using fingers and a plastic razor blade, cures in a couple of hours, and creates a hard, sandyable structure. Seems to be very strong with daily use. Very easy to use. The putty is easy to work with and contour. After drying I was able to sand it. Number 2. Gorilla Wood Filler, Natural Color, 6-ounce tube. Need a strong and water-resistant solution for wood repairs? This is the perfect choice for filling cracks, gouges, and holes. It's designed to handle both indoor and outdoor projects. The unique formula spreads easily, providing a smooth, natural finish. It blends seamlessly with the wood, making the repair virtually invisible. This product ensures a professional look. Whether you're working inside or outside, this wood filler is up to the task. It's water-resistant and won't shrink or crack, ensuring long-lasting results. It's ideal for any project. Customize your repairs to match your existing wood. This filler is paintable, stainable, and sandyable, allowing you to achieve the perfect finish. It's all about getting the look you want. This wood putty filler does more than just fill, it also anchors nails and screws. It's a versatile addition to your carpentry toolkit, providing both repair and reinforcement. This makes it a great choice. What we like. This wood filler offers a natural finish, blending seamlessly with your wood projects. It is also water-resistant, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you like a product that provides a smooth, natural look and durability, you should consider this. What people say. Works to fill in gaps in between laminate boards. The golden oak color was a very good match too, and I can't really tell where it blends in the before and after. Thus far there is no cracking or shrinking like advertised, and I kinda believe it will stay that way as Gorilla makes excellent products in general. Number 1. PC Products PC Woody Wood Repair Epoxy Paste. This 2-part epoxy paste is designed to replace wood that is missing or has rotted away. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, offering a durable solution for various applications. The product is resistant to dry rot, UV light, and both fresh and salt water. This ensures that it can withstand harsh conditions, providing long-lasting results. With an application temperature range of 35 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit and a service temperature range of -20 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it can be used in a variety of environments. The high-tack formula helps reduce drips and sags while hardening, making the application process smoother. This feature ensures a clean and efficient repair. Remember to mix Part B with Part A in equal volumes on a flat surface using a stiff putty knife. Avoid mixing with gloves for the best results. What we like. This 2-part epoxy paste is designed to replace missing or rotted wood, offering long-lasting durability. It's resistant to dry rot, UV light, and water, ensuring your repairs stand the test of time. If you have extensive wood damage and need a robust, reliable solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The PC Woody Paste is a 2-part epoxy, Part A and Part B, wood resin which has a chemical cleanup with acetone. The hardened epoxy is easy to sand, by hand and using regular sandpaper. You can build up the epoxy in layers, even after sanding it. It takes primer and paint well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.